excited to share with you some comments and some tips I received from my viewers on different types of palettes that they use. Hello, my name is Gail McFarland and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. Each Tuesday I go through the comments I receive from my viewers and I pick out some comments and some tips and share them with you. Today I'm going to talk to you about different types of palettes my viewers use. There are three types of palettes that my viewers used. The first one I want to talk about is the paper palettes that you could get in these tablets like this. It's very convenient. You just put your paint on this very glossy paper, and when you're done, you just take the sheet off and throw it away. The second one that seemed pretty popular were these boxes. And the boxes have a lid on them, and you can put your paint in there. The third one is just using a piece of glass. One thing that came up a lot were these plastic boxes. Now, I had a lot of viewers talk about how they use these containers. The first thing they suggested is that you take either a large sponge or paper towel, you moisten it, you put either some paper, some wax paper on top, and it keeps the paint nice and moist so that if you decide to go out and paint outside, you could keep your paints nice and moist, and you could also put the lid on it when you're not using it. Another viewer mentioned at the end of the day, she doesn't want to waste her paint, so she takes this, closes it real tight, and puts it into the refrigerator, and she said it lasts for a couple weeks. So that was a great tip. So many viewers mentioned that they use glass as a palette. I use glass a lot. So here is my palette that I use. It's an old refrigerator shelf. And what I do is I place white paper underneath the palette. So when I do blend the paints, I could see the true colors. So I went over a couple different types of palettes my viewers used. We talked about the glass. We talked about the plastic box. And we also talked about the disposable paper palettes. So I hope that helped you. What do you use as a palette? Please tell me in the comments below. Next Tuesday, I'm going to talk about different ways my viewers clean their palettes. So until next Tuesday, bye-bye.